In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform to create a quiz or assessment. Creating engaging and interactive quizzes or assessments can be an excellent way to gather information, provide feedback, or simply engage with your audience more creatively. Typeform makes the process intuitive and straightforward. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First, you'll want to visit the Typeform website. If you're not familiar, Typeform is a platform that allows you to create people-friendly forms and surveys. Just open your browser and type in their web address. Once there, find the Login button. If you already have an account, logging in will take you to your Typeform dashboard. After logging in, navigate to your Typeform workspace. Workspaces are like your personal hub on Typeform, where all your projects live. This is your creative space where you can manage existing projects or embark on new ones. It's designed to keep things organized and easily accessible. Next, we'll start by creating a new form. Click on the option to create a form. It's your first step toward designing an interactive experience for your users. Once you select this, you'll be presented with several options. For this tutorial, we'll select the option to start from scratch. This is perfect if you have specific ideas or structures you want to implement without the constraints of a template. Now, the creative part begins. Adding questions. Consider what you need to know from your audience. Typeform offers a range of question types, from multiple choice and short text to scales and ranking. Each question type is designed to extract different insights or engage users in varied ways. Remember to keep your audience in mind, asking yourself what makes the most sense for them in terms of clarity and ease of response. As you add questions, take advantage of Typeform's features, like branching logic. This feature allows you to guide respondents down different paths based on their previous answers, making the quiz more personalized and engaging. Also, keep an eye out for design tools that let you customize the appearance to match your brand's aesthetics or the mood you want to convey. Once your questions are in place, preview your form to ensure everything is working smoothly. Pay attention to the user experience. Are the questions flowing logically? Does the visual style align with your goals? Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the end product meets your expectations. Finally, once you're satisfied with your quiz or assessment, hit Publish. You'll get a shareable link that you can distribute via email, social media, or embed on your website. This way, your quiz reaches the intended audience in just a few clicks. And that's it. You've successfully created a quiz or assessment using Typeform. With these tools and tips, you can now gather valuable insights or engage with your audience in an interactive way. Happy creating!